RGTI stock tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Actually a very solid bullish market, and yes, I'm looking for a buy, but I'll just kind of break down in a second when, how, and what. I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course and mentorships, and as a result the strategy has delivered thousands of predictions. With RGTI specifically, it was previously long here in November, actually it started December, and we've came a long way. Like that time was like 260 and now we're 10. We literally 5 times the price, 5x almost. But yeah, now 8% down. It's even great because in order for me to long, I want to see retracements. And what I'm seeing here is the price pulling back down inside my demand area. Now if I see a double break, then and only then this is something that I will long. Anything else, pure noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There is a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.